Hello everyone. In this video, we are gonna cover number line and comparison of numbers. Usually, where we use number lines. For example, statistics. For drawing graphs, we use number lines. For example, this is a graph where we call it as x-axis and this is y-axis. So usually we'll number this as 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. In left side, -1, -2, -3. And here also 1, 2, 3. Here -1, -2, and so on. This is the real application of number line. So usually the number line will be a straight line, and at the center, usually we denote it as a 0. It's not necessary at center. We can start from anywhere because it goes to infinity. It goes to infinity also. So if you consider this as 0, then comes 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, but in negative numbers -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. See, while drawing any number line, the distance between any two numbers should be equal. Here the distance between 0 to 1 should be equal to 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and so on. And the number, suppose assume if I tell you to denote the 3 on number line means you have to denote like this. This is the 3. What if I mention -4? This is the -4. The distance from 0 to 2 and 0 to -2 will be same. This is 2 distance. This is also 2 distance, right? So from 0 onwards, if you consider 4, this is 4 distance. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 distance. If you take for -4, it is also 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Distance is 4, right? So here you can observe that 4 is greater than 3, right? And 3 is greater than 2, right? 2 is greater than 1. Like that. How we go from left to right? Left to right, the value increases. Value increases. If you go from right to left, the value is decreasing, right? 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2. Value decreases. This is the number line. If you consider as comparison, 2 is smaller than 3. 2 is smaller than 8, right? What? -2 and -8. So -2 is greater than -8. The sign changes, the value changes. Because here you can see -2 is here, -8 will come here. From left to right, the value increases, right? -2 is greater than -8. So for positive numbers, you know the which is greater. 8 is greater than 2. But if we consider negative numbers, the smaller number will have the higher value. I mean, if we consider -100 and -1000, you might feel 1000 is bigger than 100, but negative sign changes the value. -100 is greater than -1000 because -100 comes somewhere here, -1000 comes somewhere here because left value is lesser than right value, right? If you come here to here, the value increases. Here to here, value decreases. Means -1000 is smaller than -100. Here -2 is bigger than -2, -1 is bigger than -2, -2 bigger than -3, -3 bigger than -4. The value increases, I mean the number increases, value get decreases with a negative sign. What if -30 and -31? Yes, you are right. -30 is greater than -31. Okay, this is the comparison. Here we'll see some example practice questions. Mark the following on a number line. 3. You can draw it, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 is here. Minus 2, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Here. 0, here. 5, somewhere here. Minus 4, minus 3. We can extend it. Minus 4 here. From 0 to right side, positive numbers. 0 to left side, negative numbers. Which is the greater? 5 or 2? Yes, correct. 5. Minus 3 or minus 7? Not minus 7, minus 3 because minus 7 comes here, minus 3 comes here, right? Minus 3 comes there. In a number line, minus 3 comes here, minus 7 comes here. So it is smaller. So greater value is minus 3. 0 or minus 1? Minus 1 is small, 0 is bigger one, right? So 0. Minus 2 or 4? Obviously 4 because minus 2 comes here, 4 comes here. So right side is bigger value. Arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means the values gets increasing order. First, which number comes? Which is the smaller number? Yes, minus 2 is the smaller number, minus 2, then minus 1, then 0, 3, 5. Ascending order means nothing but if you plot on number line these numbers, these will come in this series only, right? Minus 2 comes here, minus 1 comes here, 0 comes here, 3 comes here, 5 comes here. This is the ascending order or increasing order. Try for this. Minus 8, minus 2, sorry, minus 5, minus 2, 1, 4. Descending order means reverse. Decreasing order. First comes higher value, right? 5, 2, 0, minus 1, minus 4. Here 8 comes first. 1, 0, minus 3, minus 7. This is decreasing order. Find the distance from 0. Distance from 0 means here 0, right? Somewhere here 4, somewhere here minus 4. From 0 to 4, how much distance? 1, 2, 3, 4. So distance will be 4. For minus 4 also, 1, 2, 3, minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus means 4 only. For 7, 0 to 7, 7. 0 to minus 9, 9. It is the absolute value of the number. Absolute value means modulus of any number. Modulus means whatever the value will be inside, it will get result as positive. For example, 4 modulus is 4 only. Minus 5 modulus, 5. Minus 100 modulus, 100. This is the distance from 0. From 0 only, not from other numbers. For other numbers, we have to calculate with the number line. For example, from 1 to 2 distance, 4 to 3 distance, sorry, minus 4 to minus 3 distance, 1, like that. Fill in the blanks. Numbers increase as we move right side of the number line. Numbers decrease as we move left. Positive numbers are on the right side of 0, right? Right side of the 0, positive numbers are there. Left side, negative numbers are there. Negative numbers are left side. Good. So this is your homework. Please comment the answer in comment box and we'll continue next video. Thank you.